Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to buy Unity Network token on Trust Wallet and Uniswap. First, you're going to need to download the Trust Wallet app. Then I would also recommend that you download the Coin Market Cap app. After you have downloaded both apps, you're going to go into Trust Wallet and you're going to purchase some Ethereum. Keep in mind that the Ethereum that you're purchasing now, later on you're going to be swapping it. After you have purchased the Ethereum, you're going to go into the Coin Market Cap app and you're going to search for Unity Network, and you'll be led to this page on which you'll be able to look on some analytics. Then you're going to scroll down, and right where you see Ethereum, you're going to tap on those two boxes. And once you have copied the address, you're going to go back into Trust Wallet, tap on the apps, then scroll down and select Uniswap Exchange. Once Uniswap Exchange loads up, you will see the Ethereum that you had purchased earlier. And you're going to tap on Select a Token. And in the search bar, you're going to paste the link you have just copied. Then tap on Import. Then tap on Import again. And now you'll be able to swap the Ethereum for the Unity Network token. Hello, in this